Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 13 how to delete an IG story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this tutorial, you will need access to an iPhone, the iPhone application, and now we can click on Instagram itself. Make sure we sign into the account. Go to your profile, make sure you have an IG story posted to your Instagram account, and now we can click on IG story and then pause the video for one moment, go to the right bottom corner, click on the three dots and now press delete. Delete this video, yes, deleting, and now we have officially deleted the IG story that we posted to the account a couple tutorials ago. And now we can go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.